Heidi. In this presentation, I'm going to show you a new way to marshal a DCS system. First, Carl will demonstrate the traditional method, then I'll show you Weidmuller's new WMF method, which uses a new line of multifunction terminal blocks.
Let's take a look at the traditional way to marshal DCS systems. Field wiring is terminated on one side, and control wiring or internal wiring is connected on the other side. Each field wire is routed or connected to the desired control channel or I/O contact on the control side. We start with the terminal blocks. Three types of terminal blocks are used: a fuse block for signals, a feed-through for neutral, and a ground block for the shield. So, by following this sequence, fuse, feed-through, ground, you can see all of the field wiring is completed in this panel. Now we move to the marshaling of the signals. In this case, we are connecting the circuits to an I/O module. So I need to build wires and connect the signal loop from the fuse blocks and the feed-through blocks to the dedicated I/O module. This is the traditional way to marshal DCS systems.
Carl, let me show you a better way to marshal your DCS cabinet, one that will save you lots of cabinet space and tons of wiring time. This is a cabinet using Weidmuller's new line of multifunction terminal blocks, or WMFs. Instead of using 3 terminal blocks like before, we only need 2. No ground block is needed because the shield connection is built into the fuse block. Also, these new WMF blocks are much smaller, only 5 millimeters versus the 6 millimeter blocks used today. So to connect a signal loop, only 10 millimeters of space is needed instead of 18. The WMF line also features a new fuse block with an innovative fuse holder. It's double hinged. One hinge allows for disconnection and the other for fuse access. Another innovation is the triple row center jumpering channel. This makes commoning potentials simple and easy. Instead of one-to-one wiring connections on the control side, you can use pre-wired cables to connect up to 16 connections at one time. In the time it took to connect one wire, with a wire assembly, I can connect 16. These pre-wired cables use industry-standard 5.08 millimeter connectors housed in a clamshell and can be built in the field or are available directly from Weidmuller. These pre-made cables virtually eliminate field wiring errors. Plus, this line comes with all of the accessories that you would expect from Weidmuller, including jumpers, disconnect options, and multiple marking options.
Wow, what a difference! Over 50% less cabinet space is used.
Yes, and we were able to connect 16 signal loops in 87% less time. Weidmuller WMF terminal blocks are a better way to marshal your DCS applications. Not only are they a reliable and safe solution, but you can lower your total cost of ownership through reduced installation time and cabinet space, combined with increased functionality. Check it out for yourself at weidmuller.com.